Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet. This is a true Camaro Z28 car, which I actually had to learn this. I've actually never owned one of these cars, and now I know why. They only built 2,500, I think 2,575 of these cars, or 2,575 of these cars in 72. It's actually the rarest Z built. And I guess I should say production built Z. They only built them for a very short time because there was a GM strike in 72. So actually most of the Camaro bodies actually just got destroyed. They never even went into production. But very nice car. I bought this from my buddy down in Tennessee, but it's originally a North Carolina car. There's some nice little ownership history with the car. I did get that with it. It's a factory Cranberry red car, factory black vinyl interior in it, and it's an all matching numbers car. Matter of fact, the guy has gone through and actually documented all the numbers in the car. Very nice car, runs and drives excellent. I believe it's got all the original body panels, I believe, are still on it. And like I say, just a super nice car. I apologize, Ed's going to be mad at me. I'm rushing him today. Unfortunately, my son's got a basketball game today, and I'm leaving first thing in the morning to go to a show. So I had 6 cars show up today, and I'm trying to get them all advertised. But great car, again, very rare. Production factory Z28, and nice, guys. Really nice car, hits the road good. Again, factory Cranberry red car, factory interior. Car's only got 73,000 original miles on it, and this car, believe it or not, was restored in 2002. This car is in excellent shape. You can tell somebody has just loved this car. They haven't just owned it, they've loved it. Factory spoiler package on it. Again, factory black Z28 stripes. Nice car. That's what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, I'm rushing Eddie, so he's got little wax marks on it, but I know people are getting frustrated. My guys are selling these cars before they're even getting posted, so trying to do the best I can, guys, to get them on. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, car's nice and straight. Good car. It's got the Firestone Wide Oval bias ply tires. Those are the correct rally wheels for it. Dual sport mirrors. Again, front and rear spoilers. Does have front disc brakes. Matching numbers 350. Matching numbers 400 trans. Correct. 10 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. You can see it's got the factory dual snorkel air cleaner, the original finned aluminum valve covers. They've changed the carb. It's got a Holley Avenger 4-barrel in it, but that is a factory GM Winters aluminum intake, power steering, factory exhaust manifolds, power front disc brakes, 400 trans. Like I say, good car, good quality car. And again, I did not know that about the Z's. I had to actually read it. I didn't know that. I didn't see a whole lot that you could really nitpick in the paint. Really nice. Again, I mean, restored, it looks like in 2002. And man, somebody has kept this baby. I mean, they have kept this car nice. Dual sport mirrors. I believe this interior is all original. There's your door tags and everything. You see the bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Definitely touched up something there on the bottom of the door. I believe this interior is all original, guys. I don't think this has ever been messed with. Bucket seats, console, factory tach engage car. Original AM radio still works. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Headliner's really nice. 73, 339 on your odometer. That's supposed to be the right miles. Tach and gauges. AM radio. Dash is really nice. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Again, it has the factory correct 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. There is a spare back here. I don't think there's a jack. Yeah, the old wide oval spare. Again, it's all, I believe it's got all the original body panels. I don't know if I can get this thing out. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. And again, there's a nice little ownership history here with it. That's a neat little car, man. Nice and clean underneath. Again, I just had a bunch of stuff come in today, guys. Next 5 weeks, man, I'm hitting the shows hard. I'm worried about running out of inventory, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is a good car. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Console's nice. Go ahead, Jordan. Door handles again, dual sport mirrors. And like I say, nice car, man. Pretty car. Car really runs and drives out real nice. Again, we get to drive it today. The roads are dry, so we get to actually get them out. Yeah, that's a pretty car. Factory red car. Nice little lobe to that cam. Back works. Looks like all your gauges are working. Backup lights work. That's a good car. Yeah, it works. Blower motor, I didn't check it. Yep, blower motor works, guys. Well, we found something that didn't work. No, wipers work. We might have a turn signal out. I'll check that. Working in the front, we'll check that one. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a pretty car, man. Doggone it. You see this, it's just a little run in Eddie's wax. Sorry, again, that's my fault, man. I was rushing him. Trying to be a good dad and a car dealer's got to be on the road. That's tough. Yeah, I did not know that about 72, about them having a strike, and so not many of these cars actually got produced. 25.75, that was it. Have a great day, guys.